Hello everyone, it's Tuesday 9/6/2022. I wanted to make a video about a trade I made today. It's only one trade and I made it in crude oil. So let's review the setup and the trigger, why I took this trade. So you see that overnight in this top left corner here, we do have a move to the downside in the pre-market, and then the market has been chopping in this area in between the opening range right there. So in the 30 minutes chart, you see also that that is this movement I pointed out here, right there. And then market started to recover a little bit in this area from there all the way through here, and then has been moving sideways since then. What I did was to identify that. You see the big sell-off here. Let's go to the trigger chart. If you need to know the setups for this chart, I'm gonna put a link here, so in that way you can review what my setups are for this chart with all the indicators and moving averages and all of that. So basically what I did was to identify in the pre-market this range area. So you see the market it's been, was moving here and then came back down and then moved up. I identified it here because it was probably pre-market action. Let me see, with some range here as well in this previous day. So I thought it was kind of like a good area where I can draw a range channel right there, range area. And then you have the oversold area here and the overbought area here and the oversold area down below. You see that market initiated the move to the upside after the market opened. For me, at this area was a little bit oversold. So I imagine a range in this area here, right around that area there, and then there is a break. Sorry, I want to click it there. So, and then there is an area here for my trade. Okay, so I did have this higher high right here at this level, and then a higher high also right here, but was lower than this one, and then came back to the range. So it was moving in the range right before the pre-market open. And then I took the trade right here in the break of this, this higher high right there. And also, I'm sorry, in the break of that higher high. Let me correct that one. So in the break of this higher high, and also the break of this little line that you see that right there. Let me point it right here. This one is actually S1, support 1, and it was above the previous day low. So I saw that the market was recovering here a little bit. I do have, this channel mark there, and it was right below or above the this lower side of this channel. So when it was recovering right here is where I took the trade. That is the entry. This one is the first target for $200, and this is the second target. Okay, so let's see. This is $700 and some dollars. Let me put it here. So it's not this one. So let's put it there. $760 in that trade. Now I didn't trade it, even it's been a good day for trading ES and Nasdaq or NQ. Then I didn't trade them, and probably I missed some opportunities. I was away from my computer doing other things up until 10:30, and then when I came back, that move has already happened, and then went back up. So let me show you that there. So yes. Let me expand this one. So I do have the range area right here, came back down. I was not in my computer, but then when I showed up again, I was already, it moved already. So I let it go, and I didn't take these reversals right here, mainly because the higher, the anchor chart were not very clear to me that it was a counter trend, and I'm bearish in the market. So I'm looking for opportunities maybe in the afternoon for this market to move lower. You never know, but everything seems to be like pointing to the downside. We'll see what happened and what opportunities I see there. It's, if you see here at lunchtime today, right now it's 12:39. It's moving below the previous day low, so I'm bearish on this one. It's above the 30 minutes, range, or in between the range levels. So we'll see what is going to happen. Okay, so remember to check the discount for Apex. You can take advantage of 80% discount up until Thursday this week. If you have any questions, go to Discord and join my channel. So in that way you can ask the questions, or you can make them in the comments below. I will answer them anyways. Okay, so I think that it was a fair day, not the greatest, but it was okay. So $760. Thank you so much for watching.